I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by opening your document in Google Docs and selecting the text you want to fix. Open the Format menu at the top of the page to access spacing settings. Open Format, then choose Line and Paragraph Spacing to view spacing options. Use the Line Spacing drop-down to pick single, 1, 15, 1, 5, or double spacing for easier reading. Select Custom Spacing to set exact line and paragraph measurements like 1, 15, and 6 pt for precise control. Click Custom Spacing to reveal paragraph spacing fields labeled before and after. In Custom Spacing, set paragraph spacing before and after using values like 0 pt or 6 pt to remove unwanted gaps. Toggle Add Space between paragraphs to control automatic gaps when pressing Enter between paragraphs. If pasted or imported text keeps odd spacing, use Clear Formatting from the Format menu or press Ctrl+\/ to remove. After fixing spacing, make the layout consistent by updating your paragraph style. Select Normal Text, then update Normal Text to match selection to save spacing changes across the document. To keep those rules for new documents, choose Format, Paragraph Styles, Options, then save as My Default Styles for future files. Use the Paint Format tool to copy spacing and style quickly between sections. Close the menus and review the document to confirm uniform spacing and clean paragraph breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.